Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your save data could not be loaded from Rockstar cloud servers at this time. So first up, what you need to do is to delete your local profile details. So open the Rockstar Games launcher, head to Settings, and under My Installed Games, select Grand Theft Auto 5. Then ensure Enable Cloud Saves is checked. Under Launcher Settings, select Account Information. Then, next to Delete Local Profile, select Delete and Confirm. Sign back into the Rockstar Games launcher and launch GTA 5. Next up, verify your game files. So in the Rockstar Games launcher, navigate to Settings, select Grand Theft Auto 5 under My Installed Games, click on Verify Integrity to check and repair any corrupted files. Next up, delete Profile folder. So just head to Documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5, and then Profiles. Then delete the Profiles folder. Run GTA 5 and enable Cloud Save Files when prompted. Now lastly, you can also of course check your internet connection. Just ensure your internet connection is always stable. Sometimes simply waiting and trying again later can resolve the issue, as it might be a temporary server problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.